Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Decor art. So how are you guys? I hope so you all are fine. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most beautiful and very stunning garden decoration ideas. These are very unique and very amazing and very latest garden decoration ideas for you guys. These are very stunning and very latest garden decoration ideas for you guys. Keep remembering me in your prayers. These are super amazing and super unique. Garden decoration ideas, and I hope so like these garden decoration ideas. If you like this video, then you click the like button and also share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are very beautiful, very amazing and very stunning ideas for you guys, and I hope so you enjoyed this video and keep support my channel and remember me in your prayers. These are very classy and very beautiful and very unique ideas for you guys. You must watch this video, and you also watch different other craft videos on my channel about different craft work. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. These are very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. So take care of yourself. Be happy. Allah Hafiz guys.